Hello and welcome to Repairing Faulty Tech. So you can see straight away that this battery's leaked. Right, let's make a start. So this is where I would expect to see something, but that all looks okay. Right, this is the fun bit. Yeah. Just don't want to make too much of a mess. There we are. Bit crusty. Okay, we did get some there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take off this now. It's not being reused, this, so. Okay. Right. It can definitely go in the bin. All of those are now removed. Now we'll just do a bit of clean up. I think that looks good. So we have to remove this chip here. This is a LH516810L. So we're going to remove this one and we're going to put in a NVRAM. So let's get this chip off, let's put a socket in, and then let's get the NVRAM, and then we'll test it. Right, there we are. That looks a bit better. So we're just going to do that to the, actually we'll keep it here, we'll just do that to the other side. And then we'll see if we can remove it. Right, just apply a bit of pressure each of these sides. There we go, that's what I needed to hear, just that little click. Looks like that's come off cleanly. No damage traces that I can see. Needs a little bit of solder removal in this bottom right hand corner. Yeah, otherwise it looks good. Okay, so what we're going to do is put the socket in next, and then we're going to put the NVRAM in. So this is a Ramtron FM16W08. Ideal for this application, means we can get rid of the batteries, don't have to worry about putting batteries in again. So we'll get this installed. This needs a bit of a cleanup, so we're going to do that right now. Yeah, and then let's get this finished. What I want to do is make sure that we get the notch in this the same way up. So right, so just apply solder at one corner here, then apply some pressure to the socket itself, and then it should click into place. And then add another drop of solder to the pin on the opposite corner. Yeah, maybe just a little bit more. There we are. And now the socket should be in place. We'll just apply a bit of pressure at this side as well. Yeah, there you go. You might have just seen the pins move there. And that should be enough to hold it in place while I do the rest. There we are. So line up the notch. Now these are quite a tight fit. Oh no, this one's not too bad actually. Okay, and there we are. All done. So all that remains now, get these chips fitted and put it in the machine and test. And let's do that now. Right, here we are. Board's back in now, ROM's back in, all the cables hooked up, ready to go. Let's switch on. Okay, that's a good sign. CPU lights flashing there. Should get a beep just any second now. There we are. If you're interested in a video on how all these boards go together, how they're all cabled up and everything, leave a note in the comments and I could hopefully do a video on that in the future. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.